Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volvo XC90 battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench set, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, your new replacement battery. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Then, locate the battery, which is typically found under the cargo floor in the rear or sometimes under the hood. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This is crucial to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Once the negative is off, proceed to carefully disconnect the positive terminal using the appropriate wrench size. Finally, remove any hold-down clamps or straps that are securing the battery in its tray. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the tray. Be mindful of its weight. Car batteries can be quite heavy. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Now, gently lower the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and correctly. To complete the installation, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure both connections are tight and secure. Reattach and tighten any hold-down clamps or straps to keep the battery firmly in place. Finally, start your Volvo XC90 and test the electrical system to confirm everything is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.